introduce hurdle weights. Let me introduce start. The starting middle of the hurdle is the same as the short distance, but in order to accommodate the problem of the stability of the legs of the first hurdle, the rear foot should be adjusted properly with the hurdle before the starting position, or the distance between the starting line and the fourth foot should be promptly changed. The first hurdle is only 13.72 or 13 meters away from the starting line. In order to avoid with insecure in the center of gravity, the center of gravity at the starting position can be reached first. Start with the higher center of gravity and shorten the starting position until the first hurdle is taken off. The vertical distance of the center of gravity in this way. The improvement of the center of gravity is relatively suitable, which is relate focal to the performance of the horizontal speed. How to start with the first hurdle. The first command of the man's hand width meter hurdle is 13.72 meters from the starting point, and the woman's hurdle is 13 meters. Really speaking, this distance is about 8 steps, and the distance is about 11.70 meters. The third one's also run 7 steps, and their step should be tied a few times. First, to set their own suitable number of steps and straight for men's or women's 400 meters handle. The distance from the starting point to the first hurdle is 45 meters, and it takes about 19 to 23 steps to reach 2 or 2.2020 meters before the first hurdle. After the start, the movement is high and simple. For the hurdle, hand width meter and hand width meter hurdles. 1 step before the first hurdle, the body angle must enter the normal speed body angle, and the running one is faster than the speed. After starting the 3 or 4 steps, look at the first column. Show the focus of your eyes in above the bar. Since the hurdlers enter the normal speeding version, the shorter distance runners are athletes, and the arm movements are the same as the speed length. The only difference is that when crossing the hurdles, the arms have the opposite the posture of extend, extending the breathing neck. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening.